Hello kids, today we will learn color name, uppercase letter and lowercase letter. At first, say with me color name: orange, pink, green, red, blue. Write with me uppercase letter and lowercase letter. Write with me A. Say with me A. Write with me B. Say with me B. Write with me C. Say with me C. Write with me D. Say with me D. Write with me E. Say with me E. Write with me F. Say with me F. Write with me G. Say with me G. Write with me H. Say with me H. Write with me I. Say with me I. Write with me J. Say with me J. Write with me K. Say with me K. Write with me L. Say with me L. Write with me M. Say with me M. Write with me N. Say with me N. Write with me O. Say with me O. Write with me F. Say with me F. Write with me Q. Say with me Q. Write with me R. Say with me R. Write with me S. Say with me S. Write with me T. Say with me T. Write with me U. Say with me U. Write with me V. Say with me V. Write with me W. Say with me W. Write with me X. Say with me X. Write with me Y. Say with me Y. Write with me G. Say with me G. Subscribe for more video.